Today I would like to unbox a Surge Protector by APC. So this device comes with 4 USB charging ports with 4.8 amp total power and then 6 surge protected outlets. So you can clip onto a desk and then or you can hang over a partition. So nothing fancy in the box, just the manual and the surge protector itself. It's pretty heavy. The build quality seems pretty decent. The finishing is glossy white plus matte gray plastic. The installation is pretty straightforward. It pretty much just slides onto any desktop. Since my desk is pretty thin, it's about 1 centimeter thick, so you can see the spring arm is a little bit. There's a little bit gap in between. So what I did is just put a small piece of wood, so the spring thing can actually push the surge protector against the bottom of the tabletop. I bought this device to set up my work from home office. I like the design that's pretty clean and simple, and then has enough outlets for all my devices to actually plug into one place. So that's it for the unboxing and the quick installation. Hope you find this video useful. Please press the like button and then subscribe for more. Thank you.